This will officially end Sean Diddy Combs, as another model has accused him of sexually assaulting and drugging her in New York, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Families and friends, it's your favorite Rastaman again as Sean Puff Daddy Combs' troubles continue. Tuesday, as a lawsuit has been filed in New York federal court accusing the hip-hop mogul of drugging and sexually assaulting a model in 2003. The lawsuit filed by Crystal McKinney under the New York Gender Motivated Violence Act, which allow victims of violence to commit on base of gender in the city to sue on their abuser regardless of when the abuse took place. The window of filing lawsuit under the act expired 2025. McKinney is also suing Combs' record label Bad Boy Entertainment, his label distributor Universal Music Group, and Combs' fashion brand Sean Combs Clothing. Sean John. According to the lawsuit, the 22-year-old McKinney, who was a rising fashion model, was introduced to Combs by an unnamed fashion designer in 2003. The suit alleged that the designer dressed and styled McKinney to ensure Combs found her attractive before taking her to meet Combs at the Cipriani downtown in New York City restaurant. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the lawsuit, Combs made a number of flirtatious and sexual suggestions remarking about McKinney's appearance in front of other dinner guests, including the designer. Later that night, Combs allegedly invited McKinney to his recording studio where she was drinking alcohol and smoking marijuana with several male companions, the lawsuit stated. The lawsuit said that Combs passed McKinney a joint, saying, "You have never had weed like this before," which McKinney interpreted to mean the marijuana was laced with some other drug. Although plaintiff insisted that she had enough. After that, Combs pursued her and pressured her to embed more alcohol and marijuana by telling her that she was acting too uptight, the lawsuit said. After McKinney became very intoxicated, the lawsuit claims Combs led her to the bathroom and forced her to perform oral sex on him. Afterward, she alleged she lost consciousness and woke up in a cab. CBS News has reached out to Combs' representative of this comment. Universal Music Group declined to comment pending lawsuit reviews of the lawsuit. McKinney claims her model opportunity disappeared after alleged incident because Combs had her blackballed in the industry and utilized his significant influence to impede her career growth. According to the lawsuit, in the years following the allegation incident, McKinney became anxious, depressed, and addicted to drugs and alcohol, and she attempted suicide around 2004. The lawsuit comes on the heel of security video aired by CNN on Friday. The allegations show that Combs attacking singer Cassie in Los Angeles hotel hallway in 2016. Combs on Sunday publicly apologized for the incident, saying his behavior was inexcusable and that he takes full responsibility for the action. Earlier this month, Combs asked the federal judge to dismiss a lawsuit alleged that he had two co-defendants raped a 17-year-old in a New York recording studio in 2003, saying it was a false and hideous claim that he was filed too late under the law. In March, Combs' home in Los Angeles and in Miami were raided by the Homeland Security Investigation Agency and other law enforcement officers due to the possible ongoing sex trafficking investigation, U.S. officials said at the time Other accusations against the music mogul included made by 2 women in November last year, 1 week after settling a separate lawsuit with the singer Cassie that contained allegations of rape and physical abuse. The women lawsuits were filed on the eve of the expiration of the Adult Survivor Act. A New York law permitted victims of sexual abuse a 1-year window to file civil action regardless of the situation of the statute of limitation. In February, a male music producer also filed a federal lawsuit against Combs, accusing him of sexual misconduct. Ladies and gentlemen, where there is smoke, there is fire. I don't think that so many people is alleging and bringing these allegations against Sean P. Diddy Love Combs. Imagine this lewd and lascivious youth has been bringing black culture down, from the rumors about his dirty hand in Tupac and Biggie Smalls' death. I have been keeping away from this Puff Death. Who would name themselves Puff Daddy, Puff Diddy, Puff Combs, Puff Love? Imagine he's been telling you that he's a perv, but guess what? Him got touch the snow, him got touch the white girl, and this is where all these King Kong moguls get falling off of the New York Stifle Tower or the Eiffel Tower. Whatever tower him all fall from, he's going to feel it. For what it's worth, I am not rejoicing, but I know him pocket's gonna hurt. The judge not gonna forgive you because you got touched the ice cream, the Milky Way. You should not do it. They don't care if you're fishy, if you're gay, but when you go touch the white lady, imagine they're going to throw the book of you. Puff Daddy accused again. This time it's by a young white model. Crystal McKinney said that Puff drugged her and forced her to nibble pan the knob. Imagine that one. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment. Let me know if since he went and touched the white lady, where he's going to go. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV. Build up the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment on this one. Become a part of the Rastaman panel. More life and more joy and more happiness. Puffy, me feel sorry for you youth. Them a go dash the book at you.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deeproots flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon Deeproots full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah,
Pick up Deeproots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.